Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In Berlin, an attic apartment with Japandi Aesthetics. Christopher Sitzler has created a remarkable makeover under the rooftops of Prenzlauer Berg, featuring mahogany, stainless steel, and an open-plan bathroom. In Berlin's Prenzlauer Berg district, an attic apartment renovated in the Japandi style by Christopher Sitzler. Purist yet comfortable, that was the mission. Busty Fisher had many Japanese references in mind when he commissioned architect Christopher Sitzler to transform his 75 square meter attic apartment.